Hi, in front of me is Vivo X51 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Firstly, open settings. Now scroll down and tap on security. Then click face, enter your current login method and read the disclaimer. After that, click start to add. Then click OK, and now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!